Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send USDC from Gemini to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this process is simpler than you might think, and I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First off, why would you want to do this? USDC is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it perfect for transfers between exchanges like Gemini and Coinbase without worrying about wild price swings. To get started, make sure you have accounts on both Gemini and Coinbase, and that your USDC is readily available in your Gemini wallet. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Assets, or Wallets, section. Find your USDC balance. That's the one we're working with here. Next, click on the Withdraw or Send option for USDC. Gemini will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Now, switch over to your Coinbase account. Go to your wallet, select USDC, and copy the deposit address. This is crucial. Double-check that you're copying the correct address to avoid any mishaps. Remember, in 2025, crypto networks might have upgraded security, so look out for any two-factor authentication or additional verification steps. Back in Gemini, paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDC you want to send, but be mindful of any network fees. Ethereum is the most common network for USDC, so fees could vary based on congestion. Review all the details carefully, then hit Confirm. You'll get a transaction confirmation email or notification. Once the transfer is initiated, it usually takes a few minutes to an hour to reflect in your Coinbase wallet, depending on the network. Keep an eye on your transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. And there you have it. Your USDC is now safely in Coinbase. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer if you're unsure, and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, both Gemini and Coinbase have excellent support resources. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.